All right, Maiden fly with my new Neo. Okay, it's jerking around a little bit. Okay, I can handle this. It's a little unstable, maybe. All I gotta do is go around this pole. Around. Whoa, whoa, whoa! The pole, the pole! Oh crap! Okay. It survived the pole test. That was totally on purpose, and not just because it got totally out of hand. Okay, everything's good to go. Flying just nice, and man, it's a little jerky over here. Why does it keep moving? Oh crap! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop! Whoa! Hey, there is no wind out. What are you doing? What are you doing? This little bugger. Oh man! What the heck? It's like up, 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 up. Come on! Boy, I can't get this thing to calm down. It's jerking all over the place. What on earth is going on here? I am not doing this. I don't know what's going on, man. Oh, crazy turn. Okay, trying to go straight. Trying to keep this thing nice and level. All right, I'll gun it. I'll gun it. See if that. Oh, jeez. Yeah, here we go again. It's freaking out. It's freaking out on me. Okay. Oh my God, what is going on here? Oh shit, car. Gotta bring her back. Oh jeez, Dad, stop jerking around. Hey, Mr. Security Guard. You know, he doesn't actually stop anybody. I don't know what he does. Okay, bring her back. Bringing her back. I'll check it out. See if I can figure out why it's doing weird stuff. Okay, bring it down. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, come on. Fly nice. Okay, little crash landing. Okay, flight number 3. It's still going weird. I checked the props. Those things are just fine. It's got a little tiny nick on it. This does not explain why this thing is jumping around all crazy. Low light performance isn't terrible. I can see a lot more than I can with the Avata too, but jeez. Why is it dripping to the side? There is no wind. There is no reason for it to do this. It's like someone standing there thumping my joysticks over and over again. Maybe I'll try landing it. You know what? Oh, forget it. I'll try some little simple orbits. Nice and easy. Is that pole that came over and tried to eat it earlier? Going over the top of my head. Okay, everything seems to be terrible. Everything seems to be terrible. What is wrong with this thing? Why is it not flying smoothly? I just updated the firmware. I am blaming the firmware. Oh man, it is like ghosts are just coming up and thumping it over and over and over again. Thump, 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 thump. Stop thumping my copter, man! I just got this thing. It's already going nuts on me. Okay, let's see if I can land it. Come on. Nice and easy. You can even see the shadow. Look at it. It just keeps bumping around. What on earth's going on here? Okay, down. Ugh.